Welcome back to the Michigan Business Beat, brought to you on the Michigan Business Network. Chris Holman here at the Grand Hotel on Mackinac Island. And we are here because of the Greater Detroit Chamber of Commerce's annual policy conference. And speaking of that, just north of Detroit, right, is where Automation Alley is headquartered. And here's their CEO, Tom Kelly, with us. Tom, it's always good to see you. How you doing?
Oh, thanks for having me. It's always good to be seen.
Yeah. It's a kind of a, I don't want to say eerie circumstance because a lot of stuff is getting done, but it's interesting up here. I think we're at about maybe half-mast in attendance.
Yeah.
And it makes a difference.
It does make a difference. And, we're announcing this week, so your listeners may be the first that they're hearing about this, we're moving our Integrate conference. So it was scheduled for October 19th. We're moving it all the way to May because of the restrictions TCF was placing on us. You had to make sure everybody was vaccinated. It creates all these hurdles to not have a pleasant experience. And so we want to give our members as much of an opportunity to interact. So I feel the pain that the regional chamber is going through trying to put this event on. I have to say it's been a wonderful event. They've done a wonderful job, but it's almost eerie, like you said.
I'm in awe of their tenacity because they had it. I mean, it would have been real easy to say, you know what, this is insurmountable. Let's move it back to next May.
That's right.
Just let it go. But they did have it, and things are getting done here.
Yes.
Speaking of which, things are always getting done at Automation Alley. So what's up?
Well, some good things to report. One of the things is that people may not know, we say this all the time when we're together, Automation Alley is now a statewide organization. Yeah. We are Michigan's Industry 4.0 Knowledge Center, and we now have a program through the state of Michigan, through the Michigan Economic Development Corporation, any manufacturer in the state, free membership in Automation Alley.
Yeah.
This is a great deal because as we collect this knowledge, and don't forget, we're also a World Economic Forum Advanced Manufacturing Hub, so that allows us access to a wealth of international information that even small manufacturers would find very, very useful. And membership to get at that data is free. So we encourage everyone to come to automationalley.com and sign up. It costs you nothing. Might change your life.
I like that. I like costing nothing.
Yeah.
It was interesting because I was talking to a guest who's going to follow you. And I said, what do you want to talk about? And they said, well, manufacturing 4.0. And I said, okay, you're going to follow Tom Kelly. And they said immediately, okay, so what else can we talk about? But 4.0 has been your bailiwick, and it's just been incredible.
Well, it really is. It's the fourth industrial revolution, and we call it a revolution because manufacturing has always been a physical endeavor where you use software as tools to get the work done. Manufacturing is quickly moving to being software first. You need to be a digital company first. And we're not really well skilled at that in the state of Michigan. We make great products. Don't get me wrong. But if we're going to survive in this revolution, we have to get everybody into this realm of understanding, hey, I'm a digital company. I'm a software company first. Most of them don't even know what that means. What is that? You say digital company, what does that mean?
Yeah.
And so we help them understand what does that mean and how do you do it on the budget that a small manufacturer has available to them.
Yeah, and that's so important. And especially when you look at, we had this conversation down at the Esther Williams Pool last night.
Beautiful facility, by the way. Wasn't it great?
They did a wonderful job. Basically, the encumbrance that they're going to feel from 3D printers.
Oh my gosh! Right? I'll give you one hint for all our viewers out there. Go check out Relativity Space. This is a guy. His name is Tim Ellis. He's building rockets with 3D printers in one go. That is going to upset the aerospace industry like you wouldn't believe. You go from 30,000 suppliers to 300 suppliers, from 18 months to build a rocket to 60 days. If you're in aerospace, you need to know what's going on in your industry because it's going to change everything. And so that's not just going to happen in aerospace. Who are we kidding? If you can do that with rockets, you can do it with car bodies.
Yeah.
Right? Think about if you could print a car body that looked like bone. All these things are doing where they can create tremendously lightweighted vehicles just by going down that path. This is coming to automotive. And we're already seeing it. GM just stood up a huge facility in Warren that's allowing them to do 3D printing. We need suppliers to be on that boat.
It's interesting because I think that 3D printing thing is kind of a real misnomer because people's concept of it is, I saw that cut something out of a block of wood. And it is so much more intricate.
It's so much more intricate, and it's following Moore's Law,
Yeah.
which says 3D printers get twice as powerful and half as expensive every 18 months. We're seeing this play out.
Yeah.
And so what you think you knew when you said, I looked at 3D printing 2 years ago and it could make tchotchkes, and I'm not in the tchotchke business, so we're out. And so what we did was we said, don't pay attention, because if you follow Moore's Law, you're going to get to a point where you can print in metal for 20 grand a year.
Yeah.
And it just blows your mind, but we have to be software companies first.
So education comes into play with what you're doing, the initiatives. So are we getting kids ready for that 3D technology?
You know
Right?
what I'll say to that is kids are already ready.
Well,
kids are digital natives. It's the owners in manufacturing that have to give the kids a chance.
Yeah.
Let them come in and apply their skills to create these 3D designs. They'll have your business fixed in about 12 months.
you bring so much excitement. I love spending time with you. Tom Kelly, CEO of Automation Alley. Thanks for being with us, buddy.
Thanks for all your support.
And we are coming to you from the Detroit Regional Chamber of Commerce's annual policy conference on Mackinac Island. I'm Chris Holman. You're watching the Michigan Business Beat on the Michigan Business Network.